Oh, sorry. Sorry. Thank you for telling me. Hello, Tina and Colby and Rutherfordium. Nobody told me. Nakamute daw. Hello, everybody. Kaya pala. Hello, Luxie. Thank you to the heart emoji for telling me I was muted. Do you hear me now? Hello, Solem. Why is the money not going back? Okay. Are we ready? Grind na ulit. Are we ready? Have you guys been studying like the whole day? Because I think, hello, is Eleanor, you're early. Attendance check. Welcome back. Attendance. Present daw. Dapat present. Dapat lang. Yes, I found my medal. Were you not here yesterday? For those who weren't here yesterday, I found it the other day. Ang cravings ay Vitamilk. Uy, iba yun sa Vitasoy, Solem. Vitasoy, kalaban niya yung Vitamilk, guys. The one I promote is Vitasoy. Pero, it's a common misconception. Actually, di ko din alam before. I did an internship there. But yes. So beautiful, guys. If you want a medal like this, you have to reach magna cum laude. Iba yung itsura ng medal ng cum laude. Pero maganda pa rin. So, yes. If you guys want a medal in Ateneo, it's very pretty. I found it. You know where I found it? I can't believe you're not senior high. Who is this? Do I know you from senior high? I didn't have TikTok in senior high, guys. I started in first year because Ateneo was a very culture shock for me. And then I posted about being Ateneo. Yes. Social life in Ateneo, they're very friendly actually. Like, I thought, like, di ako makasabay. At first, it was hard. I mean, pero online kasi kami, so it was harder. Our first year was entirely online. So, yes. Ano po recommend nyo before exams or long quizzes? I'm having a bad time. You mean like sleeping or tips? Because my tip is, well, I don't do it, but it's better to have a good sleep though before the exam. What I do is, I usually stay up. Because I cram my review, but you shouldn't do that. But if it works for you, you should do what works for you. We're gonna continue with problem solving today, guys. Dexy sa Dominican, we were mas higher ata kami ng one batch. Diba, Aki? Aki's here, my friend. She was one batch lower. I have a picture with her. We were in the same club once. Hello, Jude. The spell para maging math wizard. You just have to practice every day, guys, which is why we're gonna do live every day. Plans after college. Please go back to shapes. Which one? Give me a number. But I think shapes pa rin itong gagawin natin. Okay? Shapes pa rin yung next question. We just started. We actually haven't answered anything yet. So, yes. Make sure to share the live, guys. Nire-record nyo ba yung live? Yes, it's on my YouTube. All the recordings are here in YouTube. Yes, maubos na load ka. Okay, Judy Ann, you can come back. Go check the YouTube na lang. If you guys don't want to watch right now, you can check the YouTube. Trigonometric, yes, I will teach trigo after, I think it's after Jom, trigo na yung next. So yes, I think after Jom, trigo na yung next. Let's remove this and this so we can answer it again. Okay, so we're gonna answer number 15. Good evening, Joseph. You're not late, guys. You're not late. Do you have water? Yes, thank you, Maya. I actually brought water this time. Here. What year? I just graduated, guys. Nasa live sa YouTube? No, I have recordings lang. Hindi pa ako marunong mag-live actually sa YouTube. Should I try that out? Pero feel ko kasi walang manonood dun. Kaya, yes. Wow, Luxie, you remember Aki? When will you be teaching chem? That's a good question. We haven't done science, and I don't know if we're gonna do science actually. Pwede na po mag-CR. Mag-CR ka na muna bago tayo mag-start. But yes, are we ready? Ken, I don't have YouTube live yet. Pero, ayun. Recordings pa lang tayo, guys. But, okay. Let's answer this first question. Let's get it to, hello, Audwin. How's life in Ateneo? Is it still intersession? Okay. Are we ready, guys? Let me know if you're ready. Let me just put on eye drops. Factorial, of course, you can do factorial. But I think we've done it already in algebra. Skincare, my favorite, I use a lot. For toner, I use Thayer's toner. My skin is oily, guys. That's why it's very shiny. You see that? You see that reflection there? Lawyer na TikToker, wala akong kuya. I'm the eldest child. I have a twin brother, guys. He's 1 minute younger. Jersey ng Ateneo, wala. Can you do dividing factors, factorials, or factors, as in polynomials? Let me just put on eye drops. Okay. Next week na ako magjo-join. Nasa Boracay. Guys, you have 37 days left till the UPCAT. Is now the time to be vacationing? Char. It's okay. It's okay as long as you have confidence in yourself. But maybe you can vacation after the UPCAT. Eye drops is Hylocomod. It's prescription eye drops. Okay, let's get started. Are we ready? Are we at 8K likes? My favorite number is 8, so let's get it to 8K likes, guys. I just graduated college, if that's your question. There's my toga. It's the blue toga ng Ateneo. And here's my medal, which I will keep showing until masawa ako. Magsawa. Ha 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 ha. Look. Hello, Nico. You're back. We haven't started. Hinihintay ka namin, Nico. Char. Okay. Are we ready, guys? Ano po yung mas mahirap, Ateneo or UP? Oh, you mean... Nico said... Nico, what did you say? Are you talking about the ASET or the UPCAT? Kasi yung exam sa ASET... Ay, sa Ateneo is ASET. And then sa UP, it's the UPCAT. Sabi nung kapatid ko who took both, yung Ateneo daw, mas mahirap lang yung math part. Pero yung UP, parang overall mahirap siya. And then, pagdating naman sa schools, for me, ang alam ko, which when I was told, is mas madali, or mas madaming nagkaka-Latin honors sa UP. Pero it doesn't mean it's easier. Like, it's still hard. Pero mas mababa kasi yung requirement for laude. Mahirap mag-laude sa Ateneo kasi ang weird ng grading system. Yes. This book is the PTS Mathematics Reviewer. You can find it in my Instagram or in my Instagram channel. It's there in TikTok bulletin. So yes, are we at 8K? Oh yes, we are at 10K. Weird yung grading system kasi in UP, guys, yung grading system is 1 yung highest. 1 yung highest, yung susunod sa 1 is 1.25, 1.5, 1.75. Sa Ateneo, yung highest ay 4. Tapos, yung sunod sa 4 ay 3.5. And then 3. And then 2.5. So, if you see, when you get an A is a 4. Pero yung next grade, pag hindi ka perfect na tao, 3.5 na agad. So, gets mo ba? If hindi ka perfect na tao sa UP, may 0.25 na. Na like butal. But like for Ateneo, it jumps straight all the way to 0.5. So, ang laki ng bawas sa'yo. Like, you see how the bawas goes from 0.5? So, hindi ko din alam ba't walang 0.25 sa Ateneo. Pero, yeah. So, for you to get good grades, kailangan puro 4 lagi yung grade mo, di ba? Kailangan usually 4, and then onti lang yung 3.5 mo dapat. Ganun siya. Pero for example, in UP, kahit 1.25 lahat ng grade mo, pasok pa rin yun sa summa cum laude. Pero summa cum laude in Ateneo is 3.87, which is so crazy. 3.87, that's so unreachable. Like, especially for hard courses like mine. So, 3.87 yung summa cum laude. Magna cum laude is 3.70. 3.70 ang magna cum laude. So, if your entire life in Ateneo, ito yung average mo. Diba ang layo ng 3.7? Ito yung magna cum laude. So, hindi ka makamagna if puro B plus yung grade mo. Meanwhile, I don't know the grade in UP ng magna. Pero ito summa. Summa level pa to. Yung summa sa Ateneo has to be up here. Gets nyo ba? So, technically, it's not easier. I wouldn't say it's easier. Siyempre, different yung classes. Different lahat ng teaching. Pero, just based on looking at the numbers, it's just harder to reach the summa. Summa na cut off ng Ateneo for me. How much nag-range yung condos near Ateneo? I feel like 15k pataas, pero mine was just 11k. Meron mga dorms na may kasama ka, around 3k to 4k, ganun. Yes, the reviewers are free and they are in my Instagram channel or my TikTok bulletin. So, make sure to join those if you want. This mismong, it has the annotation na, pero if you want the blank ones, the blank PDF is in my Instagram. Pero, if you want the annotated ones with these old answers, it's in my Instagram channel and TikTok bulletin. Is it too late to start reviewing? We haven't even started, guys. So, make sure to join us. You have 37 days left. 37 days left. Are you Magna? Yes, I am. Forever flexing it. You know why? Because my pet peeve, guys. Can I just share? Don't cancel me. Just kidding. Never mind. I don't care about other people. But, you know, there are people here, there are people who would post, like, I'm an academic weapon. They're gonna post about them being an academic weapon. And then they're not gonna pull through by, why don't you have honors then? Just kidding. But, like, don't post about you being so smart and all if hindi mo naman mapapatunayan. So, me, I never posted my grades until I actually knew I reached the magna. Kasi, ba't ko ipopost yun kung hindi ko naman, like, I can't pull through, you know what I'm saying? So, yes. Just be, kaya di ko pinapost self ko. Okay lang, wag niyo i-post sarili niyo, guys. My technique is, all throughout college, don't post your grade. Kahit, kunyari, Dean's Lister ka sa first year. Wag mo i-post kasi magkaka-expectations yung mga tao na magaling ka sa next years mo. I haven't been a LaSallian, but my twin brother is in LaSalle. So, if you have questions about LaSalle, I guess I know about it too. But I did pass LaSalle, my first choice in LaSalle. I was supposed to go to IA. Tips sa grade 3. Para sa grade 3, make sure to get good friends. Freeloader. Wait, nakarating na po ba kayo sa CVSU? Not yet. My course is Management Engineering. Okay, I'm gonna remove this so we can start. Are we ready to start, guys? Tips on ASET. You have to have a good essay. Because in Ateneo, they care about who you are as a person. So, you should be able to make a good essay about yourself. Okay, guys. Good friends ng grade 3. Aki, feel ko dun kita naging friend. Tama ba? Char. Good friends in grade 3 because they will be your friends for life. That is my take. My friends from grade 3 are still my friends now. How many months did you prep for it? Who are we talking to? Guys, I studied for the UPCAT for like 5 months. Pero na-cancel yung UPCAT namin because that was in 2020 during the pandemic. So, yes, technically, I didn't take the UPCAT, but I did pass UP, the UPCA. Diba UPCAT yung tawag? Tinanggal nila yung T, so it just became UPCA. And I passed that, I guess. But technically, I didn't take the exam. Okay, are we ready? We're gonna answer now, guys. Hello to the 1K people. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. The UPCAT is in 37 days, which means you have 37 days left to study and to get into the school you want to get into. So, if you aren't motivated enough, my motivation for you guys is think about the person you hate right now in high school. Think about them getting everything and achieving everything they want, getting into UP, tapos ikaw hindi mo yun ma-achieve. Ganun ba ang gusto mong life? Guys, the person you hate right now, like I'm thinking of someone here, and then they get into UP, they're like posted, I worked so hard for this. And then ikaw, hindi ka nag-aral. Like, cool ba yun, guys? Hindi ka nag-aral kasi nag-chill ka lang. Okay, like, it's cool for now, but you're gonna regret it when the person you hate gets into UP and you don't. Okay? So, yes. So, time to start. Let's answer this question. Let's answer the first question, then I'll answer your questions later. Okay? The length of a rectangle is 3 more than twice its width. What are the dimensions of a rectangle if its perimeter is 138 cm? So, this is a word problem. What we're gonna notice is, magdodrawing tayo ng rectangle, okay? Pero we're gonna understand its length and width. 3 more than twice its width. Oopsies, let's make that straight. What does that mean? So, 3 more than twice its width. Let's draw a rectangle. The length of a rectangle. So, the length is always the longer side. Is 3 more than twice its width. So, let's make the width x. Tapos, 3 more than twice its width is 2x plus 3. Okay? Gets, can we say gets if we get why it's 2x plus 3? So, pag sinabing 3 more than twice its width, yung width is equal to x. Kaya 2x plus 3 ang 2 more than twice its width. So, what are the dimensions of the rectangle if the perimeter is 138 cm? Okay. Gets. Okay. So, what is a perimeter? Perimeter, guys, is yung entire thing that goes around. So, basically, add up mo lang lahat ng sides ng rectangle. The perimeter is this plus this, all the sides, this plus this, plus this, plus this. Okay? So, it's 2 times the length and 2 times the width. So, ang gagawin lang natin, the formula for perimeter, isusulat natin dito. Okay? Formula for perimeter, oopsies. Perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2 width. And alam natin na this is L and this is width. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, pa-explain daw ulit ng 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 kasi 3 more than twice its width. 3 more, so yung width natin, sinet natin as x. Si width ay x, kaya 3 more is plus 3, then twice its width, kaya siya 2x. Okay, 2x plus 3. So, ang gagawin na natin is, papasok natin si length and width dito. 2 times 2x plus 3 plus 2x. Do we see what we did there? So, okay. So, what we did there is, etong width is x, kasi x si width dito. Tapos, etong length ay 2x plus 3. So, length is 2x plus 3. Do we see the colors? Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We're gonna be doing lives. I'll try every day, but yes, we've been doing it. It's our 3rd day doing it daily. Okay, oh my god, Nico, you're doing crochet commissions. If you want to promote, you can just pin Nico if you want. You deserve to pin over here. Akong nahirapan. In simple explanation, substitute. Yes, you're gonna substitute the L into the, yes, the length and width as this. Okay? So, the next thing we're gonna do is we add it all up. Okay? So, we're trying to look for x. And then, we know that perimeter is 138. So, gawin na natin 138 si perimeter. This is 138. Tapos, i-distribute natin yung 2 dito. So, this is 138 is equal to, this will be 4x plus 6. How do we get 4x plus 6? You just multiply the 2 here. 2 times 2x and 2 times 3x. Tapos, from there, plus 2x. So, pwede natin ipagsama dito si 4x and 2x, these two. That will give you 138 is equal to 6x plus 6. This reviewer is the PTS reviewer. Add like terms, yes, add like terms. Now, what do we do next, guys? Iiwan natin mag-isa si x. So, itong si 6 na walang x, lilipat natin siya sa kabilang side. Lipat natin dito. That will give us 138 minus 6. 138 minus 6 is equal to 6x. Tapos, i-minus natin yung 6x. Transpose, yes. Why are we guessing the words? Okay, so that's 132 is equal to 6x. And then, tapos, kaya nag-aray. Okay, nakalimutan ko yung sinabi ko agad. Yes, I will give the PDF. I update the PDF, the annotated PDF all the time. and divide both sides by 6. Okay? The answer is x is equal to 22. X is equal to 22. Amazing! Paano po naging 138? Given siya, guys. Given dito, the perimeter is 138. Sabi siya dito. The perimeter is 138. As you can see, 22 na pareho. May 22 sa A, may 22 sa C. So, is it A or C, guys? Is it A or C? Person said shift solve. Guys, bawal sa UPCAT. Bawal sa UPCAT ang calculator. Just so you know, para matakot na kayo. Magmamanual kayo sa lahat ng numbers sa UPCAT. Okay? So, what's the answer? So, alam natin na 22 daw si X. Si X ay equal to 22. 22. Now, pasok lang natin si width dito. So, 2 times 22 plus 3. That's 44 plus 3 is equal to 47. Did somebody say A kanina? It's letter C. So, as you can see, again, the answer is C for Christ, guys. C for Christ. Thanks, Jay. Congrats also. Topic to, ano topic? This is geometry. Geometry word problems. Yes. C for Christ all the time. So, yes. So, dito lang natin pinasok. 2 times 22 plus 3 is equal to 47. So, doon nakuha yung 47. Okay? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Another way to solve this, meron ba? 42. Another way to solve this for me is, alam kasi natin na 2x plus 3 yung length. Diba 2x plus 3 yung length? So, ang pwede nyong gawin, if gusto nyo manghula lang, ayaw nyo mag-solve, titignan nyo na lang yung choices. Given na x ito, x dapat to, diba? Dapat equal to sa 2x plus 3. Dapat equal sa 2x plus 3. So, yung 22, pag 2x plus 3 ba, magiging 44 siya. That would be 47, diba? So, mali agad si A. Si letter B, 29 times 2 is 58, plus 3 is 61. So, mali agad to. Dapat 61 ito. And then, number 3, alam nating tama yan. And number 4, 21 times 2 is 42. 42 plus 3 is equal to 45. So, mali din ito. So, as you can see, if gusto nyo manghula, minsan, nasa choices pa lang ang sagot. Okay? So, yung letter C lang ang gumagana dito. Dito sa choices na to. But I'm not sure if that's gonna work all the time. Kasi malay mo gumana, like, on both. Where did you get the mock test? It's free, guys. If you're a new viewer, welcome to the live. Jenin. Free reviewers are on my Instagram. There's a lot of PDFs there. My Instagram is over here. Here. Free reviewers in the Instagram highlight. So, ang daming free reviewers din, guys. Hindi na siya pwede flash sa screen kasi nabablock yung live for some reason. But yes, you can just go to my Instagram. It's for free. Nico, I love you daw! Nico, hala ka. Nico, pinin ko siya. Nico, sino yan? Hala ka, Nico. Guys, Nico was here in the first batch of reviewees. Hala, Nico. Nico was, in the first time I did my UPCAT reviews was 2 years ago. Tapos, kabatch nung kapatid ko si Nico. Tapos, ayun, nasa UP na si Nico ngayon, guys. Dati nanonood lang siya katulad nyo. So now he's here to help you guys. Okay, can we move on to the next question? Let's get it to 24k likes, guys. And then we can move on to the next question. If you have questions on this, madali lang naman siya, diba? So, letter C is the answer kasi yun lang yung gumagana based sa choices. If hindi nyo gusto yung choices, pwede nyong isolve the way we solve by normally like drawing a rectangle. Sisimulan ko na part 12 mo. What's part 12? Okay, good luck, CY Shop. That was our, if napapressure kayo sa live, you can watch the recordings here on my YouTube. So, pinapost ko naman if gusto nyo, like, mag-pause minsan, or hindi nyo nagagets, or need nyo mag-replay. Just check it out there. Thank you, Gablin Z, for the gift. And Ken, and Chu, and Nix. Hindi ko maintindihan. Hello, somebody. Hindi ka late. We're on to our next question pa lang. So, this is our second question, guys. Yes. Oh my God. Given an isosceles trapezoid, guys, trapezoid na tayo ngayon. If A if A, nasan yung A? Ito si A, is 10 cm, isulat na natin, 10 cm. B is 14 cm. H is 5, square root of 5. Then, the perimeter of an isosceles trapezoid is, hala guys, so, ang gagawin dito, an isosceles trapezoid, pang ilang questions, this is the second question we're doing for today. The file name is PTS, search PTS reviewers, lalabas siya, okay? ChatGPT, guys, this is the UPCAT, only manual solutions, no calculators, only big brains, okay? So, yes, if you're new here, make sure to follow. We teach a lot of techniques on how to easily solve manually. But yes. Okay, so, paano to isa-solve? Alam natin na isosceles trapezoid siya. So, equal ang side na to and side na to. So, hinahanap lang natin ano daw yung measurement ng side na yan. So, what we can do, guys, I'm gonna show you. If we draw this line, right? This is square root of 5. Square root of 5 daw yan. Tapos, pag nilagay natin yan dito, copy, and nilagay natin siya dito. Ay, okay. What is this? We form here a triangle. We formed a triangle, guys. Do you see the triangle? Say yes if you see the triangle. What we're trying to do is find the hypotenuse of the triangle. Pythagorean, yes. So, ang ginawa natin, paano natin hahanapin ang triangle na yan? Okay. So, una natin need is mahanap itong side na to. So, what do you think is the measurement of this side? Paano natin yan makukuha? What is the measurement of this side over here? Do we know? Do you guys know how to get that? Yes, Momo, it's 2. It's not 3, guys. It's not 3. It's not 4, guys. It's 2. Bakit siya 2? Okay, I'll explain. Remember, itong taas dito, let's draw it. This one up here is 10 cm. 10 cm yung taas na to. Tapos, yung etong baba ay 14 cm. So, yung 10 cm hanggang dito lang siya. Hinahanap natin yung dalawang edge na to, which is idadagdag sa 10 cm. So, ayun, etong yellow ay 10 cm. Alam natin na 10 cm yung yellow. So, yung matitira dito is 14 minus 10 is equal to 4 cm. Pero, magkabilang dulo yung green. So, i-divide mo siya into 2, which will give you 2 cm each side. Okay? So, 2, ito, and then 2, ito. Okay? Wow! Can we give a clap? That's so amazing. Wait, how do I find the clap? Hello guys, biglang umulan. No clap daw. Okay, that's so mean. 5 claps. Thanks. 5 big booms. Okay, so we have 2 here and we have square root of 5 here. Now, how do we find C? All we have to do is Pythagorean theorem, guys. Pythagorean theorem. So, this is A. 2 ang A, B I this. So, that's 2 squared plus square root of 5 squared is equal to C squared. This will give you 4 plus 5 is equal to C squared. Are we going fast? Nagba-blur? Not again. Is it happening again? So, 9 is equal to C squared. Tapos, square root both sides. So, C is equal to 3. Bakit 5? Kasi square root of 5 yung given here. So, when you square root, yung square root na to, pag square mo siya, pag nag-square ka ng square root, mawawala po yung square root. Okay? So, magiging 5 na lang. If you square a square root, magiging 5 na lang siya. Yes. So, the answer is 3 over here. 3. So, kung alam natin na 3 yan, tapos isosceles siya, 3 din yung kabilang side. Okay? 3 din yung kabilang side. Which means, yung perimeter is 10 plus 14 plus 3 plus 3. Which is equal to 30. 30! Wow! Wait. Wow, I'm finding new sounds. New sounds over here. Bakit po kayo nag-square ulit? Kasi Pythagorean theorem, guys, is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Magagamit nyo yan sa lahat ng triangle. Ay, lahat ng right triangle. Pythagorean theorem. You have to memorize this. Very important siya sa lahat ng right triangle. Okay? Alusa sound effects. Thank you so much. Hello to the 1.6k people. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We try to go live every day because the UPCAT is in 30 days, 37 days. Yes. Acute? It's a right triangle, guys. Paano natin nasabi na right triangle siya? Kasi may square dito, guys. Kita nyo yung square na yan. Kapag may straight line na nag-intersect sa horizontal, vertical and horizontal intersect, it becomes a right triangle. Okay? So, right triangle ito. Ayan. Okay. Amazing. We did so well. That was so quick, guys. Isn't Geom so fun? We love geometry here. It's better than algebra. My course was management engineering. I'm from Ateneo. So, if you guys want a grad pick, you can find me in real life and I'll give you a grad pick. Guys, I put one grad pick in my wallet already. So, if you see me in the streets, not the Hamilton song, I will give you a grad pick. Okay? Yung live reviewing, Strixsaver. That's crazy. Usually we do math lang, but if I get bored, I'm gonna end up doing science soon. But not yet so far. We've done language proficiency also. Okay. I love you too, Isa Lenor. Saan po yung updated version ng what? Ng reviewer? It's in my Instagram channel. So, join the Instagram channel. Bakit 4 yung A? Nasaan yung A? Are you going back? Where are you looking? Okay, next question, guys. Next question. Are we ready? We're moving on to the next question. What is the length? Okay. What is the length of each edge of a cube if the sum of all its edges is 240 cm? What is the length of each edge of a cube if the sum of all its edges are 240 cm? So, what you're gonna do here, guys, is iisipin nyo lang kung ilan yung edges ng isang cube. So, mag-drawing tayo ng cube. 1, 2, 3. So, as in, bibilangin lang natin. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, it's 12 sides. Amazing. Very basic, guys. The thing about the UPCAT, it's 1 minute per question so that you can answer everything, all the questions. So, 12 sides. If 240 cm lahat, that's 240 divided by 12, which is 20 cm. So, the answer is letter B. Amazing. Very basic. We can speed run and move on to the next question. Do you have tips on reading comprehension channels to watch daw, guys? Give them tips. So far, I haven't done that. Hindi po ba 12? Yes, 12 edges. Oh, sorry. If you're particular about words. Hahaha. Okay. Di na gumaganang C for Christ. B na siya, guys. B for banal is what I say. Okay, next question. If a circle of diameter 8 has the same area as a triangle of base 4, what is the altitude of a triangle? So, dito na papasok, guys, yung need yung knowledge. How did you get to 240? Given siya, guys. Given yung 240 over here. 240. So, 240 is given. Ang tanong, how many sides daw? Or how many edges ang meron? B for Bible daw. Okay, so are you ready for this question? I'm gonna put up a poll. Sagutan nyo muna siya, guys. Feel ko medyo mahaba to, pero tignan natin. Tools. Put up a poll. Is it letter? Walang bagal. Custom. Okay. Check out the poll, guys. A, B, C, or D. If a circle of diameter 8, so ito-drawing ko na habang sumasagot kayo. Huwag kayo magkopyahan, okay? Guys, sa UPCAT, huwag niyong kopyahin. If hindi niyo alam yung sagot, my tip is hulaan nyo. Kasi, what if mas hindi nag-review yung katabi nyo, diba? E di nadamay pa kayo. Why are you voting E? Bakit majority ang E right now? Sagutan nyo yan, guys. Mag-solve kayo. Yes, I have a YouTube channel, Jerk Means. Welcome to the live. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. I try to go live every night. Tapos, if you aren't free every night for the live, you can watch the recordings here on my YouTube. So my recordings are over here, as you can see. And then yung PDFs for free are here on my Instagram. So here, over here, if you guys are new, it's a safe space. We try to promote free quality tutoring sessions because I believe the people who deserve to go in UP, are the people who can't afford review centers. F. Julia Manjola. That's crazy. Hala guys, magsagot kayo. Letter C daw yung sagot ng madami. If hindi nyo alam if hindi nyo ma-solve, you should still vote in the poll and test your intuition. I think it's important to test your intuition because practice din yan. Baka mali pala yung intuition nyo, ganun. So, i-testing nyo siya. Thank you, Coconut, for the gift. For the first gift. And Jojo. Okay, are we ready? Ida-drawing ko na siya habang 30 seconds pa. Circle of diameter 8 is this. Circle, diameter 8, has the same area as a triangle of base 4. So, triangle, gawin na lang natin siyang right triangle. Base 4. So, ang hinahanap natin ay kailangan natin alamin dito ang area or ang area formula for both circle and triangle. For the circle, area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. Ang area ng triangle, hala, ayan na. 95 votes for letter C. Let's see if tama kayo, guys. Hala, B yung sagot ng iba dito. Let's see who is correct, okay? Tapos, area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 base times height. So, yung base niya, guys, ay itong 4, yung nasa baba, kaya siya base. Tapos, yung height niya ay ito. Ito yung height niya, guys, h. Okay? So, anong tanong? What is the altitude? Altitude is the same as height, guys. Okay? Height. Altitude or height. So, hinahanap natin itong h. What we are gonna do first is get the area of the circle. Hello to the 2K people. Welcome to the live. It's ngayon na lang tayo nag-hit ng 2K ulit. Okay, so, what is the formula? Pi r squared. Can somebody tell me what the r is? If D is 8, what is r? R is, it's not 8 pi. It's not 8 pi. I'm pretty sure it's not 8 pi. R is 4. Yes. So, if 4 yung r, oh, you're saying 8 pi yung sagot? Okay, let's see if it's C. I thought you're saying 8 pi yung area. So, if r is 4, we do 4 squared pi. So, that's equal to 16 pi. So, 16 pi ang area ng circle. Ngayon, kailangan natin siya ipasok dito. Area of the triangle, equal daw sila. So, gagawin natin 16 pi is equal to 1/2 base. Base is 4 times height. Gets ba natin yung ginawa natin? So, ang ginawa natin, yung 16 pi dito, pinasok natin as area of the triangle. Tapos, yung 4 dito, na base, ginawa, what's the word? Sinubstitute natin siya. So, ayan. So, ngayon, isa-solve na natin yung h dito. Okay. Gets? What part do we not understand, guys? Kahawig ko daw si Attorney Anselmo. Oh no, it stopped focusing on me. Hello? Anyway, gets daw. Okay. End call ko muna, kakaiyak na. Guys, kaya natin to. We can do it together. Okay, stick with me. We can do it together. We're almost there. Bakit blurred? Ayan na, naayos na. Bakit blurred? Kasi malabo na kayo. Ay, joke lang. 4 pi. Okay, let's continue. So, anong gagawin next? Okay, so we're gonna solve 4 times 1/2, guys, is basically 4 divided by 2, which is 2h. Okay? So, 16 pi is equal to 2h. Divide both sides by 2 para matanggal si 2, which will give us h is equal to 8 pi. Okay? H is equal to 8 pi. Thank you as a parent, Flinky Bueno. Welcome to the live. If you have a child that's gonna be in UP soon, make sure to follow. So the answer is letter C for Christ, guys. Amazing. You got it. C for Christ always works. Amazing. Did you guys get letter C? Is that just me? Well, majority got C, so that's good for you. Very, very basic. Paano siya naging 2H? You multiply 4. 4 times 1 half, guys. Ang gagawin nyo dyan, i-divide nyo lang. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. Okay? 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. What else do you have more questions? Thank you for following, guys. Welcome back to the live. Ano pang 4 squared? How po yung 4 squared? 4 squared is just 4 times 4. Every time you see an exponent, that just means multiply it by itself. Okay? 4 times 4 siya. Paano naging 8? Nasaan yung 8, guys? Paano naging 8? Dinivide natin, guys. 16 divided by 2. Okay? 16 divided by 2 will give you 8. Kaya siya naging 8 pi. Okay? Dito, natanggal yung 2 dito sa side na to. Tapos, kaya din natin siya dinivide by 2 on this side. So, natanggal yung 16 divided by 2, which will become 8. Paano naging 4 ang R? So, a diameter is this whole thing. Yun yung diameter, which is equal to 8. A radius, guys, so if you didn't know, radius is the distance from the center of a circle to any point in the circle. So, basically, kalahati siya ng diameter. So, radius is half of a diameter. Diameter. Yes. Any more questions or confusions? Or, what else? Negative, ano tawag dun? Negative reactions? Paano naging sila? Hala, iba na yan. Negative, ano yung word dun? Negative, hindi siya negative reaction. Ayun, violent reaction. Yes, violent reaction. Hala, ang galing. I feel like y'all are in high school talaga. The last time I heard that was in high school. Nobody says that in college anymore. Okay. Number 19, guys. Let's go to number 19. Are we ready? Yes, pwede siya as a reviewer for any incoming college. Okay? Number 19. I'll put up the poll, restart the poll, make sure to guess your intuition or like solve it right now. Where is the poll? Is it over here? So check it over there right now while we answer it. So the length of a rectangle is twice the width and is equal to the side of a square. What is the area of a square? Ano ba yan? Ba't ganun na, guys? Like, dalawa lagi yung shape. Pero okay lang yan. So, let's draw a rectangle. What you do in geometry, pag may narinig kayo na rectangle, square, i-drawing nyo na siya agad para hindi na kayo malito kung saan kayo nagkamali. Kung saan kayo nagkulang. Char. Okay, so let's continue. We have a rectangle and we have a square. The length of a rectangle, 5 daw? Wait, where's the question? Hell yeah. C daw ulit. Let's see. Is it C? Mas madaming votes yung A and C right now. Tayo siya, guys. So make sure to vote in the poll. Is it A or C? Or E? A or C? Or B? Humahabol yung B. Oy, nagsosolve ba kayo or hinuhulaan nyo lang yan? Guys, mag-solve kayo dyan. Char. Okay. Thank you. Daming nanonood through. Ang daming classmates today, guys. Bawal mag-CR, by the way. Sa class na to, bawal mag-CR. So, i-hold nyo yung ihi nyo dyan. Char. Is it best to draw po kapag sasagot sa UPCAT? Yes. For me, it's best to draw kasi pag in-imagine nyo lang, mas malito kayo. Kaya to isagot in 1 minute, guys. So, the thing about the UPCAT, you have to be able to solve it in 1 minute. So, if you want, let's try it to next question. I think what I want to do is, try ko i-solve fastly and then I'll show the brain process or the thinking process for it. C for Coco Martin daw. Okay, let's see. So, the length of the rectangle is twice the width. So, x ulit si width. Kung alin yung smallest, guys, yun yung gagawin yung x. Okay? So, x ay width lagi. Usually, x is width. Tapos, length is equal to twice the width. So, 2x siya. And is equal to the side of a square. So, 2x din yung side ng square. Ay, W pala yung ginamit niya. Pero okay lang yan. What is the area of the square? So, if the length of a rectangle is twice the width, W na lang kasi width daw siya. So, twice the width, W. And then, this one is 2W. Alam natin na the area of a square is equal to side squared. So, side squared, yung area ng square. And if 2W squared siya, yung side niya, then that is equal to 4 W squared. So the answer is letter C. Guys, you got it. That's so amazing. Some people did letter A, but it's letter C. Ang daming mali though. Ba't kayo ganyan? Char. The answer is letter C. Gets nyo ba? Ano yung hindi nyo gets? C for Christ always works, guys. It always works if you're just guessing, okay? So if hindi nyo talaga alam, just do C for Christ. And if you're new here, make sure to follow. Hehehe. Why 4W squared? What's the question? Ang hinahanap kasi natin ay ratio, guys. So, sabi niya, okay, the length of a rectangle is twice the width. So, yung length ng rectangle, kaya importante mag-drawing dito, guys. Kasi, yung length ng rectangle ay 2W and is equal to the side of a square. 2W, kasi equal siya. Equal silang dalawa. So, equal silang dalawa. As you can see, 2W sila pareho. What is the area of the square? Yung tanong dyan is, knowing na side of the square is equal to 2W, ipapasok mo lang siya sa area, which is S squared. Okay? So, isa-square mo lang yung 2W. 2W with the parenthesis, squared, ibig sabihin, isa-square both dyan. So, isa-square mo ang 2. 2 squared is 4. Tapos, W squared is W squared. Kaya the answer is letter C. Okay? Thank you, Koji, for the gifts. And the only, and Epal, and YS. You guys don't have to send gifts. I just want you to follow me. Also, follow me on Instagram, please. Following me on all the platforms helps me keep doing these lives for free. Hala, Nico, hinahanap ka na naman niya. Number 20, are we ready? Are we ready for number 20? Yes, I give the copy for free too with the notes. If you want the annotated copy, join my Instagram channel or my TikTok bulletin. I update it every after the live, okay? Okay, you're welcome, everybody. Number 20. If the lengths of the two sides are ready. If the lengths of the two sides of a right triangle are 3 cm and 4 cm, what is the length of the fourth side? Guys, this is basic. I've been teaching you this for the last 3 days. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Remember the magic number. If the lengths of the two sides of a triangle are 3 and 4, obviously, the third side will be 5. See, proud. Yes, Rutherfordium. It's called a Pythagorean triplet. Pero if hindi nyo memorize yan, guys, need nyo siya memorize. Pero, if hindi nyo yan alam, you can just do Pythagorean theorem. So, 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to C squared. So, hinahanap yung third side. So, what you're gonna do there is that's 9 plus 16 is equal to C squared. 25 squared is equal to C squared. So, C is equal to 5. So, if you want to solve using the Pythagorean theorem, this is what you're gonna do. Medyo mabilis naman siya. How to know which one is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is always called hypotenuse. Pag sinabing two legs or two sides, when they say two legs or two sides, usually, yun yung hindi hypotenuse. So, hypotenuse is the largest side. Okay? Where is 5 from? From here. But if you just memorize the Pythagorean triplets, yung tawag sa kanila, madami kasing mga number na triplet sila, trio sila, triple. You know what a triple is? And then, ayun. So, they go all together. And sila yung mga perfect Pythagorean triplets. Meaning, whole number sila na right triangle, na Pythagorean right triangles. Okay. Next question. That was very basic. Next question, guys. Where po yung copy with notes? Instagram channel. Instagram channel? Tama ba? IG channel or YouTube, TikTok bulletin. The area of a circle with radius r is pi r squared. If the radius of the circle is tripled, then what would be the ratio of the area of the old circle to the new circle? Ooh, I'm gonna do a poll for this one, guys. I think it's easy, but you have to use what we call a simple example. So start voting over here. What you're gonna do, guys, is what we call a simple example. So you have to set the radius r as a number. Iset nyo siya as a number, and then itry nyo siya anong mangyayari pag na-triple siya. Okay? Anong mangyayari pag na-triple siya, itry nyo i-solve yan. So usually what you would do here is use R is equal to 1. Ayun na yung hint ko. Use R is equal to 1, okay? Are we ready? A daw ang sagot. Is it A or C for Christ? A lot of people are still guessing C. But yes. Okay. So, we can solve this actually very easily. I feel like everybody knows the answer. Do you guys know the answer? Is this for grade 10? Oh, yes, you need it for grade 10. The UPCAT, guys, is grade 7 to grade 10, usually. Okay. Regine Velasquez, yes. Okay, flywheel problems po. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, let's continue. Simple example. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is we're gonna make R is equal to 1. So, if R is equal to 1, guys, what is the area of our circle pag R is equal to 1? So, that's pi R squared. So, that's equal to pi. Pi lang siya, diba? Kasi yung 1 will be 1 squared is just 1. So, that's just equal to pi. Right? So, now we're gonna try, pag na-triple siya, R is equal to 3. When tripled, R is equal to 3. So, now that we have that, let's get the area of that, which is pi R squared is equal to pi times 3 squared. So, this will give us 9 pi. So, ang tanong, what is the area of the old circle to the new circle? So, ito si old circle, and then ito si new circle. So, what we're gonna do is do pi over 9 pi, and then makakancel dyan si pi, which will give us 1 over 9. Okay? The answer is letter A. Does tripled mean times 3 or raised to 3? Tripled means times 3. Okay? Ang raised to 3 is cube. Cubed yun. Pag tripled, it's just times 3. Okay, so the answer is letter C here, letter A here. Amazing, amazing, guys. You're doing so well. The questions are actually kind of easy, am I right? I guessed it. It's okay if you guessed it. The point is, tama ang intuition mo. And honestly, that's what matters in the UPCAT. Hindi nila ito-check yung solutions nyo, guys. So, kahit hulaan nyo yun ng buo. Yes, galing nyo daw, sabi ni Nico. A for Abraham. A for Alden yun, guys. Alden Richards. Love this kind of live. Thank you, Marlo. You have bad intuition. It's okay. The thing about it is, if your first intuition is bad, try to think of your second guess. If feel nyong mali na yung first guess nyo, mag-guess ulit kayo ng second. Usually, ganun yung ginagawa ko. So, yes. Okay, are we ready to move on? Can we get to 70k likes? Paulit daw. So, ang ginawa lang natin is minultiply, nag-set tayo ng simple example na R or radius is equal to 1. And then, you get the area kapag equal to 1 ang radius, ang lalabas ay pi. So, pi yung area ng radius is equal to 1. And then, when tripled, sabi kasi dito, if the radius of the circle is tripled, what would be the ratio? So, kailangan natin i-triple yung ratio. So, tinriple natin siya. I feel like I'm shouting. Am I shouting? Pag tinriple natin yung radius, magiging R is equal to 3. And then, you get the area, which will give you 9 pi. So, 1 pi over 9 pi will give you 1 over 9, which is why the answer is letter A. Riemann hypothesis, is that calc? Please, not here. We are in grade 7 to 10. Grade 7 to 10. I posted, what if radius is not 1? The radius is not 1. Even if the radius is not 1, it works, guys, okay? So, the trick here is you give a simple example. So, pag hindi given, walang given na radius, gamitin nyo yung 1. Diba? Ba't kayo magpapakahirap? If gusto mo gamitin 2, we can use 2. So, you want this to be 2. That will give you 4 pi. 4 pi yung area niya. If you want, ito-triple mo siya, magiging 6 to. So, 6 squared is 36 pi yung area nito. So, that will be 4 pi over 36 pi is still 1 over 9. Because it's a ratio, guys. It will never change. Hindi katulad ng jowa mo na sa simula lang magaling, tas nagbago na siya. Diba? Am I right? Okay, are we ready to move on? This one doesn't change, guys. Next question. Who was that? Who said that? You know that meme? Who said that? It must have been the wind. Must have been the wind, not me. I don't say that. Who said that? Next question. Number 22. Number 22. Hindi na po isa simplest form. Sinimplest form natin siya, guys. 1 over 9 is the simplest form. So, same lang dito. 1 over 9 is the simplest form. The simplest form is the ratio. Kaya siya 1 over 9. Okay, number 22. If the square has a perimeter of 32 inches, what is the area of the inscribed circle? So, yung circle lang yung hinahanap natin na area. Pero yung perimeter ng square daw ay 32. So, what do we know about perimeter? Medal, I found the medal. If you haven't been here in 2 days, I lost my medal. Tapos naglinis ako ng kwarto ko, tapos hindi ko siya mahanap. And then, I was giving up, and then almost crying. And then, I found it in my brother's room. So, here's my medal. If you didn't know, and if you're new here, I just graduated magna cum laude, by the way, in Ateneo. And that's the only thing I have to flex in my entire life. Just kidding. Okay, so what are we gonna do? A perimeter of a square, guys. Alam natin na perimeter is the thing that goes around. So, yung area nitong apat. And pag square, guys, alam natin na ang square ay 4 sides, 4 equal sides yan. So, if 4 equal sides sila, tapos 32 inches, yung buong sum nila, what is the side? What is one side? Can somebody tell me what is the measurement of one side? Yes, Rutherfordium, it's 8. So, 8 yan lahat, guys, kasi 32. Pag inad mo yan, basically, that's 32 divide by 4. Divide by 4 will give you 8 each side. 8 each side ng square. Okay? So, if alam natin na 8 to, what is the area of the circle? Paano naman natin makuha yung area ng circle? As you can see, etong side na to, when you bring it all the way up here, same pa rin yung measurement niya. You see that? So, that means the diameter of the circle is 8. The diameter is 8, which means the radius is 4. The radius is 4. Which means, what is the area of the inscribed circle? Area of circle is pi r squared. We know that r is equal to 4, so that's pi times 4 squared, which is equal to 16 pi. So the answer is letter B. Did you get letter B? Did people say B? Or did people say C? Is it letter B, guys? It's letter B. Tama hula ko. Good for you. That's good, guys. You have to be proud if tama yung hula nyo. Okay lang yan. As long as nandito kayo, that's what matters. You're giving the intention to learn, and maybe that's good enough. You don't have to understand it right away. But yes, kakanood ko lang. It's okay. If you have any questions, okay, do you have any questions about this? Ang layo ng sagot ko. Madali lang siya, guys. So, why is it so easy, right? Math is so easy, guys. The thing about math is it's easy if we want to, if mabait naman, or like, if you're in a safe space, I feel. Sometimes teachers are just scary, but math is so fun. Yes. Okay. How to use Bakit same lang diameter ng circle? Bakit daw same? Kasi inscribed circle siya, guys. Meaning, nakadikit yung circle na to. Nakadikit siya dito. Katulad ng huhugot ba ako? Ay, wag na. Katulad ng ito, nakadikit siya dito. So, kapag you draw a line over here, etong 8 na to, when you bring it up here, same lang yung, gets nyo ba? Diameter yan. You see the visualization? Kaya, kapag nakadikit yung circle, same lang yung side niya sa diameter. Katulad niya, dikit ng dikit. Oh, that's good. Can we pin that? Gusto mo i-shoutout yung dumidikit? Pin the comment. Iya Jen. Hugot line na. Yes. Okay, gets. Okay, that's very easy, guys. So, madali lang yung question na to. I think mas mahirap yung next one. Okay, so mas mahirap yung next one. Are we ready for this one? Bakit 4 pi over 36 pi? That's if we make radius is equal to 2. Wala yan, guys. Tanggalin na natin yan. That's if radius is equal to 2. for the top one. Okay, we're ready for the next question. Can you comment ready? Pwede bukas na yung next. 1 hour pa lang tayo dito, guys. Okay, we can stay until 9:30 because I have to clean my room. So, maybe a few more questions for us. Auntie, hala, analytic geometry. That's crazy. Let's see how much more we can do. I just graduated. So if you're new here, welcome to the live. My name's Julia. I try to do lives a lot. I was a full scholar. That's so crazy to say. I was a full scholar in Ateneo, so I chose Ateneo over UP. But I did pass my first choice in both schools, in 8 universities actually. Yes, okay. So that's it for now. Grabe na notice ako. Nandun daw si Umichi. Where is, nasan? No, Nico, that's so sad. I can't say I'm a full scholar. I'm a full scholar in Ateneo is what I used to say. Okay. So let's answer this one and see how many more we can do. Okay? Kung ang bilog, hala. Tagalog siya, guys. From my M to I was. Okay, I'm putting up the poll. Answer the poll right now. Answer the poll. Is it over here? Because this one is kind of a long one. Pero medyo you and Umichi went to the same school. No, I did not go to the same school as Umichi, guys. Whoever that is. I will not associate with that person. Anong oras break time? Kapag binalikan ka na niya. Ha. Joke lang. Thank you for following. To the people new here. If you're new here, welcome to the live. Incoming first year? No, guys, I just graduated from college. Not from high school. That's so crazy. Here's my medal. There's my toga. Do you not see my toga, guys? I want to show you, but I don't know if I can wear it like on live. So I don't know if that's possible. Oh, Zoom? Sorry. Where are we going back? Here. So are you ready to answer? You have 1 minute left to guess. Make sure to answer over here. What time dismissal? Bakit ngayon ko lang to nakita? Welcome to the live if you're new here. I'm not gonna return the toga because I bought it. So I bought the toga. Yes, I am magna cum laude. Here's my magna medal. This medal is only for magna. Mas malaki pa yung sa summa. Tapos medyo mas maliit yung sa cum laude lang. So maganda yung mga medal in Ateneo. And then you get this one. So you get 2. If you're a Latin honor, you get 2. Pero if wala kang honors, you still get this one in Ateneo. So if you know any other Ateneo TikTok people, if they don't have a medal, if they have this one lang, that means wala silang Latin honor. What course? Management Engineering. It's one of the hardest courses in Ateneo, is what they say. So that's why I picked that too. Okay, 13 seconds left to guess. Guys, lock in your answers before we answer. Letter B yung nangunguna right now. Pero sumusunod ay letter C. Is it letter B or letter C? You know someone na cum laude. Amazing. Yes, management engineering. What's your age? I'm 22. That's crazy. Okay. Pwede itali sa leeg. Uy, buddy. Okay. Next. How do we solve this, guys? Kung ang bilog ay nakapaloob sa isang parisukat, na may gilid na 7. So, 7 daw yung gilid niya. Let's write that down. 7 yung side. Ano ang sukat laki? Is this area? Is this area or perimeter? I think it's area. Nang bahaging, area or perimeter? I think that's area. Nang bahaging walang shade. Bahaging walang shade. So, ito yung part na hinahanap natin, guys. This one. Yung mga corner. So, ang gagawin natin, guys, if you don't know how to solve kung paano kunin yung corner lang, ang gagawin natin, step 1, get the square. Area of square, step 1. Step 2, minus area of circle. Tapos, ang matitira dyan ay yung area ng corners. So, pag minus mo na yung area ng square na to, diba, ito yung square. Tapos, kukunin mo yung area ng circle. Ima-minus natin. Ang matitira dyan ay yung corners na to. Gets nyo ba? Parang tinanggal natin yung bilog. So, magiging ganun yung corners niya. Yes. So, this is what we will do. First step, what is the area of the square, guys? What's the area of the square? Like, right away. 49. Yes, Shin. It's 49. Bakit? Kasi, area is equal to side squared. Alam natin 7 yan. So, 7 squared is equal to 49. Okay, 49. Nico, are you typing? You're crazy, Nico. Next, what are we looking for sa circle? Area of the circle, guys. Alam natin, what is the diameter, guys? What's the diameter? Can someone tell me? Diameter muna. Diameter. What's the diameter? Is it 7? 6? 6 daw. Yes, it's 7. Bakit 7? Remember, katulad lang din dito, kapag 8 yung side, 8 din yung diameter. Okay? So, 7 din yung diameter dito. So, D is equal to 7. Radius, guys, is equal to 7 over 2. Okay? Bakit hindi tayo magde-decimal? Kasi, as you can see sa choices, fraction yung ginamit. So, mag-a-adjust lang tayo. Okay? So, ang gagamitin natin ay 7 over 2 for the radius. So, area is equal to pi r squared is equal to pi times 7 over 2 squared. So, 7 over 2 squared, ang gagawin mo dyan, may Tagalog question sa UPCAT. Yes, guys, it's the Universidad ng Pilipinas. So, syempre may Tagalog questions yan. Pati sa math and science, pero onti lang ata yung Tagalog questions. Except sa reading comprehension and language proficiency, I think 50-50 siya. Okay? Bakit po 2 sa baba? Kasi half siya, guys. So, 'di ba 1/2 ng 7 is 7 over 2. Gets niyo ba? Half ng 7. 7 over 2 is the half of 7. So, ang mangyayari dyan is that will be 49 over 4 pi. Okay? So, that will be 49 over 4 pi. Now, what are we gonna do next? 49 minus 49 over 4. Yun na ba yun? Yun na ata yun, guys. 49 minus 49 over 4. Bakit wala sa choices? Bakit wala siya dito? Obviously, what we can do is turn it into mixed number. Okay? Mixed number. Paano siya gagawing mixed number? Remember, ang 49 over 4, i-divide nyo muna. Ilang 4 ang nasa 49? Ilang 4 ang nasa 49? It's 12, diba? Kasi hanggang 48. So, 12 times 4 is 48. 48, yung makuha natin, i-minus mo siya dito. Anong remainder niya? 49 minus 48 is 1 over. Copy the denominator, that's 4. Okay? So, that's 12 and 1/4. So, the answer is 49 minus 12 and 1/4 pi. Okay? So, let's box that over here. I-box natin yan. And that will give you letter B. Letter B, amazing. Paano naging 48? Normal normal turning improper fractions to mixed number. So, let's give a smaller example if you guys don't know. If you guys don't know how to do improper to mixed, for example, 27 over 5. What is the mixed number? Can somebody tell me right now? So, ang gagawin mo dyan, if hindi ka marunong, i-divide mo siya. Ilang 5 ang meron sa 25? Or isipin mo yung pinakamalapit na multiple ng 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 30, yung 30 lagpas na sa 27, so hindi na siya kasama. So hanggang 25 lang. Yung ilan to? This is 5. So write down 5. Tapos 27 minus 25, that will give you 2 over 5. Okay? Do you get how to turn into a mixed number? Say gets if gets. Pasado sa Ateneo. Congrats, guys. Congrats on passing Ateneo. Pwede ba mauna mag-divide before exponent? Where are we looking? What divide part? So easy? Wow, so easy daw. Okay, next question. Letter B ang sagot. So the answer is B. You guys got it correct. But yes. Okay, thank you for following if you guys are new here. Congrats, Ateneo passer. Nico, you did pass Ateneo. You just didn't choose it. Nico, ni-reject ni Nico ang Ateneo, guys. Mas magaling. He's better than Ateneo. Ang lino. Thank you, Brian. Okay, next question, guys. Can we get to 92K? 92K? Yes, I know that person, Louie. That's my batchmate in Ateneo. In my course. Ba't ang daming honors course sa ADMU? Onti lang kaya? Madami ba? Feel ko mga 15. How old were you when you graduated? 22, guys. B, hula lang. Okay, you wanna poll? Habang nanguhula kayo, start the poll. Okay, hulaan nyo sa poll, guys, over here. Tulog na ako. Malapit na tayo mag-end, guys. 9:30. My course is Management Engineering. Yes. So, it says it here in the back. Actually, the medal is nice, guys, because it says the name. It says your name and your course. So, hindi siya pwede manakaw from you. Kasi naka-engrave siya. Naka-engrave yung name. Amazing. Malabo. Pa-zoom ng what? Oh, this one? A cylindrical tube has a volume of 16 pi cm cubed and a cross-sectional area of 2 pi cm squared. Find the height of a cylindrical tube. Ooh, how do we do this? Paano pag mahaba name? I think nililiitan yung font. Nila yung font. Ayan na. Kita niyo ba? Alden Richards. A for Alden Richards. Letter C ang sagot ng madami. Is it letter C or letter B? B ang second most. So, if nanguhula kayo, feel your intuition right now. Malabo daw. Ano yung malabo? Kayo? Ako ba? Char. Is it this one? A cylindrical, find the height. Height lang yung hinahanap. So, ayan. If hindi nyo kita, ayan, height ang hinahanap. Yung mata daw ang malabo, sabi ni Nico. Char, hindi. Malabo tayo. Hoy, hindi malabo makapasa, guys. We're here to pass, okay? Everybody here has a bigger chance of passing than people who scrolled away. Think about that. You are here because you have the intention to pass. And just by being here, you're already manifesting it. Because you're putting more effort in than people who are doom scrolling. Okay? So, let's draw a cylindrical tube. Again, the technique when it comes to geom is you have to draw it. Kasi, mahihirapan kayo pag hindi nyo siya i-drawing. Volume niya ay 16. 16 cm cube. Tapos, area, cross-sectional area. I think yung cross-section niya is this way. Right? Yung cross-section niya is a circle. Gets nyo ba? Kasi pag hinati nyo yung cylinder, circle siya. Tama ba, guys? Okay, so yung circle niya ay 2 pi. 2 pi daw. 2 pi cm squared. So, what do we need to know? Ang kailangan natin alamin ay what is the area of the volume. What's the area of the volume, guys? It's just volume of a cylinder is equal to height pi r squared. Height pi r squared, diba? Bakit po 2 pi? Given siya dito, guys. Given siya dito. 2 pi is over here. Okay? Patingin ng medal. Mga puro chat GPT dyan. Okay. I'm gonna explain to you. It's not 16 pi. Oh yeah, 16 pi. Sorry. Yes, 16 pi. So basically, guys, how do I explain this? When you think of the area of a cylinder, think about this. Yung circle, this is one flat circle, okay? 2 pi yung circle na yan. Tapos, every time, magpapatong tayo ng isang circle, patong, na pantay-pantay ang circle na yan. Magfo-form siya ng cylinder, okay? So, basically, the volume, pag hindi nyo memorize yung mga formula ng volume, need nyo isipin kung paano siya na-derive. Yung mga formula kasi na to, they're just multiplying different shapes. Yun yung ginagawa niya. So, basically, this is just height times the area of a circle. Okay? Height lang yan times the area of a circle. Katulad ng cylinder na to, ilang beses umulit yung circle na yan. Yun yung height niya. Okay? Etong 5, di ba 5 circles to? So, 5 yung height niya. Gets nyo ba? So, this is the area of a circle times height. Do we get that? Area of a circle times height ang formula. So, this, Nico gets naman. Okay, so this is 16 pi, yung volume. Volume is 16 pi times height times the area, which is 2 pi. Okay? So, area ito. Area times height. So, all that you're gonna do is divide yung pi, i-divide natin dito, divide dito. This will give you 2 pi. 2 pi. Divide natin. Masyado mabilis? Oh, let me know what... Yes. Okay, so all you're gonna do there is h is equal to 8. Okay? Letter C. Did you get letter C? You guys got letter C. Gets. Paano po yung squared? Hindi nyo na siya need square kasi given na yung area ng circle. Okay? Given na yung area ng... Yun na yun, guys. I-divide nyo lang. Need nyo dyan is parang... Ano tawag doon? Yung knowledge or concept ng cylinder. So, malilito lang kayo if hindi nyo memorize or if memorize nyo lang yung formula pero hindi nyo naintindihan kung bakit ganun yung formula. So, what I'm trying to explain is this circle is made up of many circles na pinagpatong-patong lang. Lahat ng flat circle na yan, pag pinagpatong-patong, nagiging cylinder siya. So, kaya dinivide lang natin yung volume divided by the area of the circle, which is 2. So, i-divide mo lang, 16 divided by 2. Okay? Thank you, Shanti. Hirap maging teacher. Madali lang siya, guys. Masaya actually yung math. Isn't it so fun? What time po kayo nagla-live? Usually 8 p.m. guys. Hala, 9:30 na guys. Hindi siya 8 pi. Hindi siya 8 pi guys kasi as you can see, ito yung given, 'di ba? Given si 2 pi. Given din si 6 pi. And then multiply natin siya by h here. Kailangan maiwan si h and para maiwan si h, need mawala ni 2 pi. Paano mawawala si 2 pi? I-divide natin both sides. So, pag dinivide natin pati yung pi, mawawala din si pi dito. Gets niyo ba? Kaya 16 divided by 2 na lang yung matitira, which will give us 8. So, mawawala yung pi kasi na-cancel out siya. Okay? Yes. So, kapag cube, height times s squared, yes. So, kapag cube, diba, if you know a cube, guys, that's basically the area of a square multiplied by the height. Pag cube kasi, ibig sabihin ng cube is lahat ng sides ay equal. Kaya siya nagiging s cube. Did you understand that? You understand it now. So, yes. Kaya siya s cube kasi same lang yung height. Height is also equal to s. So, that's height times s squared. Height times s squared is just s cube. Amazing. You understand. Pag ano naman, iba ata pag triangle or pag pyramid. Hindi ata gagana yan. Kasi yung pyramid, paano ba yung pyramid? I don't know actually. Let me think. Pyramid, ganyan siya. So, I think, hindi, need mo lang i-memorize yan. Okay, so it's 9:30 guys. Do we want to continue or continue tomorrow? Continue tomorrow? I'm trying to go live every day. We can continue 25, 26, and the rest tomorrow if that's what you want. Let's do 20. Okay, last question. Last question for... Wait. I'll do a poll, a small poll. One more question or end now is our goal. So if you're new here, just make sure to follow. I'll be back tomorrow. Yes, I'll try to be back tomorrow, guys. So this is our 3rd day doing it consistently. So happy face if you want to continue and sad face if you want to stop na. Last question, I think. We can do one more question. Just make sure to follow. Also, guys, please follow me on IG. Follow me on IG and join the IG channel kasi dun ko in-announce kung kailan tayo mag-live. So, yes. If gusto nyo like, always to be updated, just join the IG channel. Tapos, dun ko din pinapost yung, yung annotated file na to. Wow! Sino yung 24 na nagsabi ng no? Na gusto na nila mag-stop. Thank you. So, that's good that everybody wants to still continue. That's so amazing of you guys. So, I guess we're gonna continue because it's a democracy in this household. Okay, so number 25. Are we ready? Make sure to follow, guys. Also, Instagram. YouTube din, guys. Can we get to 6K? Medyo malayo pa. Pero, if gusto nyo manood sa YouTube, please make sure to subscribe as well. Kasi, yes, I'm gonna try to make lesson videos, yung mga maikli. Pero hindi ko pa nagagawa. I've been procrastinating it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir Kultura. Guys, my math prof is here. My math prof. My math teacher in high school is here. He would have tests na pabilisan. Yung quiz namin pabilisan. Tapos, pag yung top 3, if you were one of the 3 to get it perfect, may plus siya or something. But yes, that was very fun. Very fun analytic jump. Sir, analytic jump na yung next. I don't wanna teach it. Please leave the live now, sir. Thank you for being here. I do not want you to see me teach that. Okay, next. The side of a cube measures 3 cm. Find the surface area. So now we're looking at surface area, guys. Ngayon lang natin siya diniscuss. Okay? Surface area is a new term to all of us. So alam natin pa lang is volume. Pero now surface area, pinalayas. Is he still there? Bye-bye, Circle Tura. Thank you for being here. Okay. So this is a cube, right? Yung surface area niya, guys, is yung area ng lahat ng sides niya. So, paano ba i-explain yan? When you're wrapping a square box, when you're wrapping a box, yun yung area ng wrapping paper. Gets niyo ba? Yung area ng wrapping paper, yung area ng surface area. So, basically, bibilangin lang natin dito, ilang faces ng cube. How many faces does a cube have? That is 6 faces, like a dice, right? Oh, I have a... Okay, later. 6 faces like a dice. So, that's just 6 times the area of a square. So, the surface area, or SA, is equal to 6 times S squared. Okay? So, formula to, guys. Ipakita ang Rubik's Cube. Nawawala. May iba kong ano. I have a magic trick for you guys. I'm gonna show you in a while. So, yes. So, that's 6 times S squared. And alam natin na side is equal to 3. So, that's 6 times 3 squared, which will give us, 6 times 9 is 54. Did you get that? Letter B. D? Letter D. What is this choices? Let's make it A and B. A and B. So, the answer is B. This one was C. Paano po naging S squared? Kasi, remember guys, okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to understand what an area is. So, the area of a square, when you look at a square, right, area niya is length times width, or same lang sa side times side, kasi equal yung dalawang square niya. Ayan. So, basically, imumultiply mo lang ilang beses yung umuulit yung side sa side. So, yes, that's it, kinda. So, it's just the area. 26. Are we still gonna keep going? Dalawa na lang, or tatlo. Is that our last question, guys? Ulit, what do we need to do again? Do we do it again? Okay, gets. So what we do here, again, ito fixed formula to, guys, ah. Surface area of a cube is always 6s squared. Bakit siya 6s squared? Kasi, 6 yung side ng cube, right? Wala ba akong cube? Wait lang, maghanap akong cube, guys. My big ass Rubik's Cube. Let's get it over here. I'll show you. So this is 6. Ah! 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 My Rubik's Cubes are falling. But here is my Rubik's Cube. We're gonna get it out of its box. This is the Rubik's Cube. How many sides does it have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what we're looking for is the surface area. So, guys, sakto to. Because let's pretend this is 1 unit, right? 1 unit, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 cm. Let's pretend this is 3 cm. And then we're trying to look for the area. So, anong area niya, guys? 1 unit to. This is 3 cm times 3 cm. Yung area ng isang square, ng isang face niya, ay 9. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do we get why it's 9? Kasi, multiply the length times the width. 3 times 3 is equal. Guys, nasa tamang live kayo. Best student ba before? Guys, sir, umalis ka na, ibablock kita. Char. Why are we still here? Guys, hindi na tayo mag-analytic jump. Guys, yan yung teacher ko sa analytic jump. Wag na daw natin isolve yan. Baka i-judge niya ako. Char. Let's continue. So, this is 9. Tapos, yung 9 na yan, guys, paano daw natin babalutin yung cube? Imo-multiply natin or need natin ng papel na big enough to cover the entire thing. So, you're just gonna multiply 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So, that's 6 times 9. Okay? 6 times 9. Kaya siya naging letter B. Do you have any more questions? Any more questions on why it's 54? Do we understand? Kapag ano naman guys, for example, itong cylinder, do you know how to get the surface area? Solve under 2 minutes. It's so basic guys. You can solve that in 2 minutes. Need nyo lang yung formula. I'm trying to just explain it slowly so more people are able to understand. Pero basic lang yun. Kaya nyo siya i-solve in 2 minutes. Yes, math is easy with you. Thank you very much. Binato. What time ka pa usually nag-start ng live? Usually 8 p.m. We might go live again tomorrow. Yung sa 632 pa explain. Nasa na? This is 6-3 squared. So, yung formula niyan, again, S squared. S squared is the area. So, we're multiplying the area by 6, which is the number of faces. Ilan yung faces ng cube? 6 is the faces. Faces. And then, area is S times S. S times S is 3 times 3 is 9. So, that's 6. 6 times 9 is equal to 54. Okay? 6 times 9 is equal to 54. Do we get it with the Rubik's Cube? And then for other, what do you call this? Figures. You do the same thing. Like for example, etong cylinder. Do you know the formula of the cylinder? Yung formula ng cylinder, ako hindi ko memorize guys yung formula niya. Pero what I do is I derive it. So, iniisip ko, paano babalutin yung cylinder? Where's my cylinder? I have here. Here's cylinder. This is a cylinder. So, una nating isipin, paano babalutin yung circle sa taas? So, that's one area of a circle. Tapos, one area of a circle. Tapos, need mo balutin yung gitnang part, which is just a rectangle. So, think of a paper. Pag binalot mo yung paper dito, tas nilatag mo siya, it's just the circumference times the height, which is yun yung area niya. Naintindihan nyo ba yun? Did you get that, what I'm saying? Are you clocking that I'm standing on business, as Justin Bieber would say? Grabe naging what's in my kwarto. Yes. Also, I have more Rubik's Cubes here. This one's a small one. You see it? I have a small one over here, and I have a really big one. Okay, next question. Hindi daw siya 54. Sige, ipilit mo yan. Char. In the figure on the right, let's go to the next question. In the figure on the right, AD is equal to 4. Let's write that down right away. AD is equal to 4. DB is equal to 6. DE is equal to 8. Hala, this is 8. And the value of x is BC. The value of x is BC DE. What does that mean? What are we looking for? Oh, we're looking for the value of x, okay? And then similar triangles ata sila. So what we're gonna do, guys, is basically ratio and proportion here. This is ratio and proportion. So what we know is this triangle, this small triangle, remember this yellow, okay, see this yellow triangle? We're gonna bring it, oopsies, we're gonna bring it over here. This yellow triangle is the same ratio as this orange triangle. So this big triangle, same yung ratio niya sa small triangle, okay? Same yung ratio nilang dalawa. So, okay. So, what does that mean? So, if this is 4 yung side niya na maliit, right? Okay, let's put that there. 4 yung side nung maliit. What is the side of the big triangle, guys? What's the side of the big triangle? It's not 12. What's the side of the big triangle? Yes, it's 10, Addy. It's 10. Bakit 10? You just add 4 plus 6. So, looking back, just look back at this triangle. As you can see, yung big side niya ay 10, which is 4 plus 6. Now, the side down here is 8. 8 yung side ng smaller triangle. Hinahanap natin si x dito. How do we get x there? Ang gagawin nyo, guys, you have to just think. 4 is to 8, 10 is to x. Paano naging 4 yung 8? Paano naging 4 yung 8? You just multiply by 2. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito is multiply by 2. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So, the answer is 20. Wow, so very basic. Amazing. Woo! Okay, are we done? Are we done? Are we done? Are we done or are we gonna finish this? Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We're gonna be back tomorrow or the next, yes, every day, because the UPCAT is in 37 days. So if you're not following by now, why are we still here? You know what I'm saying? Yes. Let's finish it until 28. Let's see. Okay, very basic naman siya. So maybe we can still finish it until 28. Can we repeat? Okay, so when you see a triangle like this, we're just gonna repeat it for now since, yes, we still have time. This small triangle, which is yung 4, small triangle is equal to the ratio of big triangle. Okay? Small triangle is equal to this ratio of the big triangle. So, yes, yun yung ratio niya. Hindi siya 4:8 is to 6 is to x. Okay? So, mali yung assumption ng iba na 4:8 is to 6 is to x. Yun kasi yung yun yung mali na ginagawa ng ibang tao. But what you should do is 4:8 yung ratio. Tapos etong buo, which is 10, need mo siya i-add. 10 is to x. Okay? Yun lang yung trick dun. So, you just have to get the whole thing. Ang dami. Welcome 2.4k people. Ngayon lang tayo dumami ulit ng ganito kadami. So, yes. Welcome to the live. Madaming hindi absent for today's video. So, 5. The answer is 20. Where did you get 5? The answer is 20. Welcome, classmates. Paano po nalaman na same yung ratio ng two triangles? Same yung ratio nila kasi BC. Kasi parallel si BC and DE. Okay? Parallel si BC and DE. Tapos may theorem ata yan na dahil na it's inside, okay? So it's because this small triangle is inside the big triangle. Same sila ng genes. Naging science. Same sila ng chromosomes. Okay? Yes, similar triangles. So, yan. Anak niya yung maliit na triangle. Bakit naging 6? Saan naging 6? Given po yung 6 dito. Given si 6. Next subtest, science. Okay. Are we done, guys? I feel like sabog na yung mga utak nyo. Can you teach Sokatawa? Ay, matagal pa yung trigo, guys. Nasa na ba yung trigo? Nasa next subtest pa yun. We're still in geom for now. We're still in geometry right now. Okay. Lumilipad na po utak namin. Okay, I'm gonna put a poll because we live in a democracy. Happy face if one more question. Sad face if stop na. Happy face, one more question. Sad face if we stop here. Itigil na daw natin to. Sabi ko guys, 9:30 eh. I need to clean my room as well. Also, if you're new here and you see me in public, I can give you my grad pic because my grad pic is, I put it in my wallet, so if somebody asks for it, I have it with me. Ha ha ha. Okay, people said happy face. 50 people are already tired. Let's see. Okay, while we're waiting, just put happy face or sad face. Okay, while we're waiting, watch me guys. You see this? This is a cube, right? I'm gonna do a magic trick. Are you all looking? Say yes if you're looking. This is, see, you can move it around. It's dice. Okay, are you can't blink or else you won't see it. Don't blink. I'm gonna turn this cube into smaller cubes. Okay? Ready? 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 Magic is my talent. Wow! You see? We turned it into smaller cubes. That's it. Thank you for joining my magic trick. Wait. Do you see what we did there? Let's see. Kaya tignan niyo pa. What? I'm doing magic here. Bruh, circle tourist here.
Circle tourist there, bro.
Circle tourist here. Slow-mo. Wag niyo i-slow-mo. Char. Okay, next. We're gonna continue because I think he left
Where's
na.
Albedo? Someone said.
Oh, you're back.
Wow,
Okay.
I'm here.
One, we're gonna solve this one together.
Two
similar triangles.
Have 2 kilograms squared? Or is
No,
that
2k squared.
2k squared and 8k squared.
Areas.
Have areas 2k squared and 8k squared. What is the ratio of corresponding sides?
Ooh, I don't know what that means. What does that mean? Sabay yung pagbigkas.
I think it's 1:4.
1:4. Not you guessing. Okay. So two similar triangles have areas 2k squared and 8k squared. So what is the ratio of the corresponding side? So when we draw similar triangles, I would draw it like this. So this is it. What?
That's not a triangle.
Yes, that is.
That's not a triangle.
It's this whole thing. Are you dumb? It's this one.
Oh, okay. Oh.
This is the whole triangle.
And then the smaller one.
This is the big one. This is the big one. And then this is the small one.
I thought you were talking about
What?
I thought you were talking about this thing. This one. I was like, that's not a fucking
Pinagto.
triangle, bro.
Okay, so those are the two similar triangles. What's the ratio of the corresponding side? What is the ratio? So, what are we looking at?
Maybe it's 1:2.
I think it's 1:2. 2 and 4. Is that just 2:8? But I don't think that's it. What's the ratio of the corresponding side? Two similar triangles. So we're looking at these two. I don't know how we can get 8. Let's try to get 8. I think it is 2. 1:2 or 1:4. People are saying it's C. I feel so old. Some of these don't know 1-1. He's calling you 1-1. It's armpit hair.
It's armpit hair. People are calling
1-4.
me
They have
Albie.
similar bases.
The new gens call me
Oh!
Albie. Armpit hair.
Similar bases? Are we doing the same base?
Does it say similar bases? Similar triangles.
What does that mean?
Maybe draw it like this.
If we draw it like this, okay. Oh, yeah. We draw it. No, it would still be different. Because if we're looking at this one, let's say this one's 2 and this one's 8.
Mm-hmm. How do you get there for triangle? Base of side.
1:4. 1:4, right?
No,
Is
I'm
that
saying
what we
base of
did?
side.
Is that what we did kanina? 1:4. 1:2. Watch me Google this.
Wait, we base
What?
times height the small one. So that it will be 2.
I think it's still... Whoa, guys, let's use Gemini.
Use Gemini for your UPCAT, guys. JK.
1:4. Yeah, you're just gonna divide it, guys. Divide mo lang yung ratio of areas.
Oh, I was right the first time.
Yeah, but you said A, it's C.
Yeah, no, I said 1:4
Guys,
the first time.
This is a sign to rest now. Yes, it's letter C. So all you have to do, guys, is divide 2k
Yay.
squared over 8k squared. May typo daw yung mismong UPCAT. So yes, sometimes it's hard, I guess.
Yes.
Read it. You're right. Yes, 1/2 area, 1:2 yung sides. Yes, I think that's correct. So we're looking at area. Oh, sides. Corresponding sides is what we're looking at. So what does that mean? So for example, 1:2 daw yung sides.
I think it's like let's say the measurements of the triangle is like it's an equilateral
Oh.
triangle, and it's
Oh,
like,
okay, I get it now, guys. Sorry, my brain is dead. Brother reveal daw. Just later when we solve this.
when we
so-
solve this.
So, okay, I know na. Two triangles. We know that the area of a triangle is base times height over 2. So, let's try to look for the base and height of both triangles. So, one of them is equal to 2. One of them is equal to 2, right? So, let's make the base of the smaller one like 2 times 2. 2 times 2 divided by 2 is equal to 2 yung area. And then let's make the big one 4 times 4. 4 times 4 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Do we get what we're doing? So, yung side niya ay 4, yung side ng smaller one ay 2. So, that's why it is equal to 2:4, which in lowest term is 1:2.
Wait,
Did
what?
Yes. Because we're looking at
So
base
it's
times
8.
height. Yes, the answer is 8.
Oh, I was right the second time.
You can't just say you're right.
Lel.
Yes,
Lel.
Ma'am CR muna. Guys, last na natin to, okay? So, what we did lang is naghanap lang tayo ng dalawang side where same yung ratio niya. Where same yung side ng legs niya. So, we made it an equilateral, isosceles triangle, basically. Do you see what we did? Yes, we made it an isosceles triangle. And then we just multiplied that. So, 4 times 4, or base times height, divided by 2 is equal to 8. Tapos, yung area ng smaller one is 2. So, you just divide. So, alam natin na side is 2 and side is 4. Kaya, 2 is to 4. So, lowest term is 1 is to 2.
Ma'am, recess na po.
Time na daw. Time na, guys.
Tayo na po.
Time na daw. Ratio is the question. Ratio nga, 1 is to 2. Ratio is the question.
Wait, take this one off. Take this one off.
Oh, this one. Ratio of the sides. Kunin nyo na lang square root ng ratio ng area. What does that mean? Oh, okay. Square root daw ng ratio ng area. So that's 1 is to 4. Square root of that is 1/2. Y'all weak, let's do 28. Armpit hair, are you even in college already? Are you teaching calculus? I haven't taught calculus, but I can do it. But calculus is not in the UPCAT, if that's your question. Yayaman ba ako dyan? If you do get into UP, you could have a bigger chance of getting into a good job, which would lead you to a better income eventually. What's the final answer? It's A, sorry. A is the final answer. Tama na, guys. Boys at the back daw.
Boys at the back. Don't know that.
Yes, I graduated,
Nothing
guys.
beats a Jet2 holiday. And
Graduate.
right now, you can save £50 per
That's
person.
so old.
Really?
The
People
meme?
still say it.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you, Ming Ming. One more? Are we done, guys? Are we done? Are we done or one more? Let's see if it's easy. A circle centered at Q, with radius of 7, overlaps, this is 7, overlaps a square as shown in the picture. What is the area of the shaded region? One. What are we gonna do?
We get the area of the circle.
So first, we get the square. Same lang siya dito sa ginawa
Oh, we
natin
get the
kanina, guys.
square.
We get the area of the square, tapos minus the area of the circle, and then divide it by 4. Okay? Bakit 4? Kasi we know when you draw a square like this, it will show up like this. Pero isang shaded area lang ang hinahanap. Assignment na lang. Okay, assignment. So there's your what do you call that? Hint. That's your hint. We can continue it tomorrow. Assignment na daw. Okay, we're gonna continue tomorrow. Make sure to follow now. Do you guys have any questions? Continue pa?
See you
Yes.
tomorrow,
What's your thoughts about
guys.
Peeps using what's that?
MMW? Mixed martial arts.
Mixed martial arts.
Multimedia arts.
Multimedia. Metro Manila World.
Ming Ming. Wow.
Come back tomorrow, everybody. Say goodnight if you're gonna leave. It's also 10 p.m.
Good
now.
night, people.
We're gonna come back tomorrow and answer this, okay? Tomorrow. I'll upload the annotated file, so make sure to come back.
Mathematics in the modern
Oh.
world. Oh, I'm having that right now.
It's not hard, right?
It's not hard.
It's like the most basic math. It's like the most basic math ever. Madali lang ba yun? Yes. Class tomorrow might be 8 p.m. again. Usually 8 p.m. guys. You're welcome to CHK. Brother reveal. Show them your
What?
Instagram or something.
You show.
No, I can't show Instagram on the... Oh, we can just type. Guys, if you want to IG, follow my brother. You can find his face on IG. Albertos. This is his IG. There. Also, yes, you can have this file, guys. It's
Trading
on my
Dragonfly.
IG. It's on my IG. So just check out my IG. It's over here for the Instagram
How do you
for the
share-
annotated file.
How do you share audio on a tab when you share a window? Because I'm trying to.
It just shares on
I went
Messenger.
live like 2 days ago.
Tas na-send yan sa annotated file na may IG handle. We're gonna send your
I went live like 2 days ago. And I was just
absent
playing
bukas. What?
Grow a Garden like at 1 a.m. to 5
And then?
a.m.
Oh,
And
you
then-
can, if you have this TikTok studio, it shares the audio na.
It didn't share the audio for my FL.
Here, oh, you can put it here. This one. I took it off the cast.
Okay. Help me later, please.
Okay. paano maging matalino. You just have to practice every day, guys.
Bye,
As long as you do
friends.
math every day, you're gonna be able to.
You're
Yes,
gonna
my
eat the
brother
sushi
makes
cake.
music. They're asking if you make music.
Yes, I make music, guys.
My brother is studies in Benilde. He passed the UPCAT, the ASET, and the USTET, guys. But he chose to go to Benilde. Isn't that so crazy?
You guys want to hear a snippet of the new song?
He passed the UPCAT and the ASET and chose your turn. I'm gonna put this.
My turn. Here's a snippet of the new song, guys. Does this mic work?
Yeah.
Ang gulo ng buhok ko, sorry.
So make sure to follow guys on YouTube and Instagram. I'll be back tomorrow at 8 p.m. You can listen to my brother now.
Wanna pass buset.
You're just peaches, pearls, topless girls. So you think about, don't ya? Got the brain of a stoner. My head twirls, makes
You like
me
it?
hurl.
Very
Boy like you is a bummer. Thinking you is a stunner.
Someone said gatekeep. They're making me pink astronaut, bro. Pink astronaut. Wait, what? Was that break up with your...
Break up with
I have to break up with your sister. Break up with your brother. I have to break up with your best friend too. It's not on SoundCloud yet. I'm still gonna like layer the harmonies and then I'll release it. Pero wala akong pera pang Spotify, guys. So wala pang Spotify. I'm so sorry. How'd you get 1:2? Here is the explanation.
You can just square root daw. Pag ratio kasi ng areas, you can square root the ratio ng areas. So, since 1:4 yung ratio ng areas,
Yung hikaw na.
you can square root both of them daw, which will make it 1:2. Yung ratio ng sides is a square mo to get the ratio of the areas.
Look what this person said.
But, kuya, yung hikaw ata ni mama yan nasa ilong mo.
Okay, bye. I'm gonna eat sushi bake.
Okay,
Bye, friends.
Okay, we're gonna leave now, guys. Do you have any questions on this one? Wala pa tayong answer sa number 5, but yes, you
Bug
answer
egg
it
on
for
stock?
tomorrow na. Also, guys, what?
Grow a garden.
Oh, guys,
He's out of your door!
bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow, guys, we're gonna do analytic geom, so make sure to learn about quadrants. So, I'm gonna teach you guys that after this last question, okay? Last number, bukas na guys, wala nang tao, okay? Where did you buy the big Rubik's Cube? My dad bought it, I think, on Toy Kingdom, pero sobrang tagal na. Bug egg. I don't know grow a garden, guys. I'm not that brain ratty. Okay, so what topic? This is geometry. Tomorrow, analytic geom, okay? We used to call this anal geom. Isn't that so funny? But yes. Goodbye, guys. Say goodbye. Say goodbye before leaving. Thank you, Alpha, for the gift. You're back again. Why do you always give it at the end, Alpha? Good night, Jojo. Good night, Y. Goodbye, everybody. See you tomorrow, 8 p.m. pa rin. Do you guys want earlier time or no? Earlier or usually 8 p.m. kasi tayo? Here's my medal again, just so you can see. Bye! Bye, Luxie! Wow, you stayed the whole day, Luxie. Luxie, aren't you in college? That's so crazy. Nico, did you finish a commission today? Wish my calculus teacher is like you. One day, guys, I'll start teaching calculus. But right now, we're focusing on the UPCAT because it's 37 days away, okay? UPCAT...
Did you bake yours?
No.
It's gone. I didn't get to eat it.
Mom ate it.
I don't know.
One is the UPCAT hard though. It's due this Sunday.
No,
Which
that's not hard, guys.
Nor Nico, good luck. UPCAT is not hard though. My brother studied for like 5 days. So you guys can do it. If you have any questions about UPCAT experience, Nico and Wanwan are here. Albie, is his new name. My brother's name. Are you gonna teach other subtests also? We might teach language proficiency or science, but science is not... I came from a science high school, but math is more fun. Bye! Okay, goodbye guys! tips sa mga napapressure sa achievements. Guys, don't think about other people. Ako din napapressure because I just graduated, but some people already have jobs. Like, my friends have jobs. But you have to think na you're on your own path. Kasi, pwedeng nauna sila, pero mag-fail sila eventually, diba? But you can go slowly, you know. But eventually, you could be more successful than them. Just don't think about other people. It's hard because I like comparing myself. But if you keep thinking about other people, you can't focus on your own growth. So, yes. You're learning chemistry? Good luck, Luxy. That's so crazy. I hate chem. But yes, thank you guys. We're gonna go at 10:05 because I don't like leaving at a weird number. So, unemployed era, yes. But right now, I'm still doing an internship. So, if you don't know, I have a scholarship. And sa scholarship ko, required ka mag-intern dun sa businesses nila. So, right now, I'm completing my internship. And then, after my internship, pwede na ako mag-work. So, yes. Parang siyang DOST, return of service. Ganun. Okay, you have any questions about the Aboite Scholarship? They're gonna announce next July pa ata. Yes, we're gonna try to go live every day na, shorty. Live every day. Pwede ba bobo sa ABM? You just don't call yourself stupid, guys. That's how you manifest. Manifest that you know what you're doing in life. Thank you, Mirachu. If you have any more questions, is it hard to get? Hard to get what? Mahirap yung scholarship kasi 20 people lang yung kinuha last time. Madami na ngayon 20 kasi dati top 10 lang kinukuha nila. A daw yung sagot. Let's see tomorrow, guys, if letter A ang sagot. Pero same lang siya sa ginawa natin dito. So, medyo same lang siya sa two questions na to. When will I teach other subjects? Once we finish math, because I feel like math is my forte, you know. 1 more minute, guys. We're gonna leave in 1 minute. Nasa IG, yes, I'll upload this on IG, guys. Yung IG ko, go to my IG channel, nandun yung annotated file. So, check nyo na lang siya tomorrow, yung annotated file, nasa IG. Google Drive link yung i-upload ko din. Okay, it's 10:05. Goodbye, guys. Need po ba mataas score sa math sa UPCAT? You just have to pass. It depends sa course, actually. Bye, somebody. Bye, Nico. Thank you for being here. And Luxy. Bye, Luxy. Bye, Isa Lenore. You stayed the whole 2 hours again. That's so crazy. Okay, we're leaving before 10:06. Bye, Jacob. Bye. Thank you, Alpha, for the gift. Bye, Spiced Shrimp. Bye.